Hello and welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change your password on the Deribit.com account. If you want to change your password for your security purpose on Deribit, here's how you do it. First things first, launch open any web browser and type in Deribit.com in it and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Deribit. Go ahead and enter your login credentials and sign into your account first. Once you're logged in from the home page of Deribit, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile icon. Now click on Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, scroll down and look for this Change Password button and click on it. You'll receive an email in your provided email account to change your password. Go open up your email service provider's inbox on a new tab. Now, click open the email from Deribit. Click on the link below, attached in your email. On the next page, type in a new password you want to change to. Finally, go to the next field and enter the new password once again. Finally, click Continue. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you need to enter your two-factor authentication code. Go ahead and open up your authentication app and find the code. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on Deribit. So that's how you easily change your password on Deribit. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter your newly updated password. So that is how you easily change your password for Deribit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.